Give me some water. Give me some water. Here is the water. Here is the water. Bring 2 onions. Bring 2 onions. How many onions should I bring? How many onions should I bring? Bring 2 onions. Bring 2 onions. I brought the onions. I brought the onions. Wash the vegetables. Wash the vegetables. I washed the vegetables. I washed the vegetables. Turn on the gas stove. Turn on the gas stove. I turn on the gas stove. I turn on the gas stove. Let's make tea. Let's make tea. Shall I add sugar? Shall I add sugar? Yes, add sugar. Yes, add sugar. The tea is ready. The tea is ready. Bring the cups. Bring the cups. Here are the cups. Here are the cups. The cups are on the shelf. The cups are on the shelf. I brought the cups. I brought the cups. Put the pan on the stove. Put the pan on the stove. I have placed the pan. I have placed the pan. Add some oil. Add some oil. How much oil should I get? How much oil should I get? Add 2 spoons of oil. The oil is hot. Now add mustard seeds. The mustard seeds are crackling. Add the onion. Shall I saute the onion? Yes, saute it well. The onion has turned golden. Now add the vegetables. I have added the vegetables. Add salt. I added the salt. Stir the vegetables well. The vegetables are cooking. Put the lid on. Put the lid on. Okay, Mom. Okay, Mom. The vegetables dish is ready. What should I do now? Call everyone for dinner. Okay, Mom.